let's say that you are a nice brother slash sister, and for your sibling's birthday, you bought them a ginormous poster of what? If you were getting Melanie a poster, what would it be of? Don't make that difficult. Come on, Marty. You ordered it from the internet. What's the poster of? A volleyball player? Okay. Anyways, when they ship this poster to you and you want to wrap it up for her birthday, guess what it's going to be shipped in? Not a box, but in a cylinder. It's going to be a little tube, because they roll them up in little rolls, and it looks like this. Well, Brooke, being the best sister ever, wants to wrap it in wrapping paper and needs to know how much wrapping paper it's going to take to cover that. So when she goes to the store, she buys enough, or not too much. That is the surface area. So she needs, and the general thing of surface area is you need to add the area of all sides together. And if you think about what a cylinder is, if I had one, I would do it for you. A cylinder really, if you were drawing the net, did we talk about a net? Yeah. If I was drawing a net of this, you've got this hole and that hole, which are both circles. And then if you take the label of a can and cut it down the middle, what kind of a shape do you get? A rectangle. That's your net of it. If you could do that, it would be, put that together. Now the formula for the surface area, and this is really the most important part that you get for today, surface area of a cylinder equals, well, what do I have here? I have two circles. And you probably know the area of a circle is what? Pi r squared, right? So it is 2 pi r squared, because there's two circles. We'll put that in parentheses just to separate it. Plus, a second. What will when this happens? Sorry. Plus, I now need to find the area of this rectangle. Does anybody know what that rectangle would be? Well, probably not. This distance from here to here, guess what that is? That's the circumference of that circle, is it not? Yes, it is. It's pi times diameter. That gives me the circumference of the circle. And this distance from here to here, because I'm finding the area of that rectangle, this times this, is its height. I guess I really don't need those in parentheses, but I'll put it in parentheses. So there is your formula for the surface area of a cylinder. It is 2 pi r squared plus pi times diameter times height. Shall we do one? Let's make it a quick one. Let's do this one here, because Brooke may still yet get her sister. This tube that Brooke is bought has a diameter of 2 inches, and it has a height of, most posters, let's just make it 36 inches. And I'm going to tell you, let's leave this in terms of pi, so we don't have to deal with 3.14. So if you just fill in the blanks, it looks like this. 2 times pi, what's the radius? Times 1 squared plus pi, what's the diameter? 2. And what's the height? 36. There should be some easy math here. Remember, you got to do multiplication and exponents off first, so you have to cut it into this part first. What's 1 squared?
1
times 2 times pi? 2 pi's. 2 times 36? 72 times pi is 72 pi's. Now this is nice because since they both end with pi's, if you have 2 pi's and you add 72 more pi's to it, You now have 74 pi, 74 pi. Inches squared, because it's area. Which means, Brooke, if you put 3 in for pi, you're going to need like 220 square inches of wrapping paper for Melanie's volleyball poster. Oh, is that not bad, huh? Now that is a real shame. You good with that?
Yes.
Easy part done. Blank piece of paper. This part always